Roots and Rhythm is a drama group. They explore the Poumai Naga cultural metamorphosis in the 21st century. Their work highlights the dynamic transition from ancestral traditional contemporary life, examining how core identity evolves without being lost. Ultimately, the performance serves as a poignant narrative for navigating the future while preserving the essential wisdom of the past. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the Roots and Rhythm.
In the heart of a Poumai village, the ancient art of friction fire making upholds. A practice as old as time, here fire is born not just of wood and will, but of a life deeply rooted in rhythm, tradition, and community. Amid the hum of daily life, laughter rises over cockfight games. The click of cups echoes softly, and quiet hands carry the weight of tradition. culture has long been and remains the lifeblood of the Poumai community, deeply woven into their life and identity. Ancient shadows stare as the fierce cry of Naga warriors pierces the calm, awakening a past steeped in blood and valor. Tranquility shatters as a sudden ambush erupts, thrusting the village into a brutal struggle for survival against the ghosts of tradition. Amid the turmoil and sorrow, a calm figure emerges. A missionary comes bearing the light of hope and comforting message of God's love. He brings news of a love that transcends boundaries, urging them to rise from the ashes of conflict. The journey to embracing Christianity was marked by exile and bloodshed, but as faith quietly took root in the village, hostility gradually waned along with the tradition of headhunting. Today, we celebrate the journey of the Poumai people, a story of resilience, growth, and unity, from rich traditions to a future shaped by leaders, engineers, doctors, nurses, entrepreneurs, artists, and more. Each life reflects hope and progress. We are not just witnesses to history, we are the architects of our future.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Roots and Rhythm. That was indeed a very theatrical performance from the Roots and Rhythm. Thank you, huge thank you to the Roots and Rhythm for transporting us back to our Poumai ancestral past and the transition to the present modern era. That was